I wouldn't waste my time yapping on YouTube if I genuinely thought men couldn't change their lives. Most men are actually not interested in changing their lives. That's the one thing I've realized. Most men are fine with watching Netflix in the evening. It's January. They said they wanted to start a new workout routine. They never really did it. They said they were going to eat healthy. Yeah, it was just more comfortable to just eat what they usually eat. They're having a burger on the 6th of January. I don't understand what's running through some of these men's mind. Unless you're already super fucking loaded and already have your life completely set, why are you pissing around in early January? How come you haven't decided to make some changes? How come you're not back at the gym? How come you're not eating healthy again? How come you're not setting some sort of goal-orientated mission for the year? I just don't understand it, but I've grown to realize that most men don't think about this stuff. Most men are just not red pill characters, right? They genuinely don't believe that they can improve their lives. It's fascinating to me. I've been obsessed with self-improvement for a very long time. Since I can remember. I can't remember when I wasn't obsessed with self-improvement. Probably when I was at uni smoking weed every day, thinking that the world's your oyster, I'm going to make it, doesn't matter what happens. Then I was depressed with my first couple of jobs. Absolutely hated my initial career in investment banking in London. Hated it. It was fucking terrible. Had to listen to these fat pricks tell me what to do. I was unhealthy. I was eating bad food. I had this problem with my veins, actually. I had like varicose veins. My blood was clotting in my superficial veins because I was putting on weight, smoking weed at night and not eating healthy, eating like really fatty foods during the day. Can you imagine that shit at 24 years old? Madness. I had to turn my life around. But I've genuinely started to realize that some men just don't give a shit. Isn't that fascinating? Some men just don't care. Oh, whatever, man, I don't want to hear it. Now, the only time that you can say that is if you're already a fucking G. If you're already ripped, great shape, got money, banging car, banging girlfriend, nice house, got the business, yeah, you got your family, and you're set, everything, you're just hitting the mark on everything, then you can literally be like, yo, Ralph, shut up, I don't want to hear it, right? And I'll be like, yo, okay, cool, you're set. You don't need to hear what I need to say because you're already set. But for the rest of us, and even for myself, self-improvement on a daily basis is absolutely necessary. And it's especially necessary because it's January, right? The fun times are over. December's done. And, moaning and complaining about shit and talking about, I said this yesterday in my video about like toxic women and, women are so bad these days and oh my God, and I can't find a girl. I spoke to a friend the other day, actually. He was telling me that now, he's just doesn't want to be dating anymore. And I was like, bro, what do you mean you don't want to be dating? You're completely giving up on the whole thing? You cannot give up, no matter how difficult shit becomes in this world. You must not give up. You can adapt to this modern world. That's what you can do. You can evolve and adapt into being this newfound man, this newfound format that you need to become in order to achieve the things you need to achieve. Now, I said that health was super important. And also, you don't all have to be entrepreneurs. You don't all have to be crypto traders, for God's sake. If you're happy with your job and you make good money, stick to your job, man. Stay in your lane. You could do really well in your job. You can have a good career trajectory. You don't all need to be entrepreneurs, right? Self-improvement is improving within yourself, comparing yourself to yourself every single day and every single year. How am I getting on? Did I get a promotion? If I didn't, what's gone wrong? Maybe I'm in the wrong field. I haven't had a date for a while. Maybe I'm not looking in the right places. Maybe I don't look that good. Maybe I'm not dressing well. Oh, I don't look, I've got a belly now and my shoulders are fucking tiny. I look like a twig. Maybe I ought to start doing some press-ups at home. No one's telling you to go to the gym and start pushing 100 kilograms bench press, right? But you've got to start taking the small steps to improve your life. But I just genuinely find it fascinating that not some men, most men don't give a shit. Most men don't give a flying fuck about self-improvement. And do you know what ends up happening to them? Average, shitty lives. But men like me who are obsessed with self-improvement, literally obsessed, I must optimize all the time. All the time. Whether it be health, finances, knowledge, diet. Maybe I'm not eating right. Oh, I already know so much shit about food, but wait. Oh, I've read a new piece of research that I shouldn't be eating chicken now all of a sudden. Fuck, maybe I should limit my chicken intake. You should be a constant optimization machine. That's not to say that you can't watch Netflix, you can't watch a movie, you can't piss around and waste time. Yeah, you're allowed to go and enjoy yourself and play a bit of Xbox once in a while. But you've got to have your life in order to be able to do that kind of stuff. Start getting obsessed with this concept of improving, being in this constant cycle of just becoming a better man every day. What else do we have as men if we aren't to keep improving? That is your mission as a man, to just get better. A better father, a better brother, a better boyfriend, a better husband, a better friend. The people around you are relying on you to become better all the time. And if they're not, then they're not the right people in your life. Right? I demand more from myself every single day. I demand that. And I won't rest and sleep until it happens. And I'm constantly hard on myself. And a lot of people are like, Ralph, you're too hard on yourself. You need to calm down. I don't know why you're always like 100 miles an hour, always giving it. Just calm the fuck down. You're already successful. You've already done well in life. Just chill out. And I can't. I literally can't chill out. I constantly need to go to the gym. I constantly need to look better. I constantly want to improve my game and my chat. I constantly want to upgrade and optimize my friend circle until the day I die. Then I can't optimize shit anymore. So I hope this video has resonated with you, because the people that are listening to me, the people that comment, and I hope my viewers and my subs are like me. I genuinely hope you are obsessed with self-improvement. I don't want anyone on this channel who simply isn't. And if people are unaware of self-improvement and just don't give a shit about it whatsoever, then I'm just not interested in those people either. Even if they are rich, loaded, handsome, good-looking, famous singers, blah, blah, blah. If you're not interested in optimizing as a man and self-improving, I've got nothing to talk to you about.